Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SONY ULT FIELD 5 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily charge your phone using your speaker. And first, take your phone with the USB Type-C port and prepare yourself a cable which is USB Type-C to C. Then plug your cable straight into the speaker. Let me take this flower away, this phone for a moment away. And we have to plug our cable into the speaker here. Now we have to open that and plug our cable here. And now we have to find the other USB Type-C cable finishment. And let me put it here. And now let me take this phone here. And now we have to plug our USB Type-C cable straight into our phone. So let me plug this in, and our phone is charging. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.